A four-storey building was reduced to rubble in seconds after its foundations were weakened by heavy rainfall in India's Himachal Pradesh. Drone footage captures the huge building collapsing in the Shimla district on Saturday, July 9, after heavy rain and landslides hit the area. Spectators watched in horror as the structure crumbled before their eyes, sending up clouds of dust. Fortunately, it is believed no one was in the building, which contained a bank branch and restaurants, at the time of its collapse.
भाई ये क्या हो गया यार।